Last season I was in so much pain, and after the season I came in and he put the x-rays up and he said, "Coach, we need to fix your knees."
Coach Woods had played football himself, I think, at a younger age, and I see a lot of these ex-athletes that come in with very severe osteoarthritis that really gets neglected for a long period of time. Replaced the knees, the bad cartilage we removed, and we replaced it with this metal piece on the femur, a metal piece on the tibia, and there's a plastic piece in between. I always tell patients that the surgery part's actually the easy part. You know, the hard part is all the physical therapy, and he was very dedicated. He was up here every week working hard with our therapists, and the results really showed with his outcome.
I met Dr. Estrera when he was a high school student. Dr. Estrera played football for me at Lake Islands High School. He was one of our linebackers on the football team. Well, you never know what they're going to grow up to be, but you knew that he was something special. You knew he was an excellent student. You know, he had a brilliant mind, and we knew he was going to be something special whatever he did. You know, I didn't know he was going to be a big time doctor. I'd have probably been nicer to him while he was in high school, but he did fix my knees up really good. Before I had this surgery, I mean, there was times I had to get a golf cart to help me off the practice field. This year there's been a couple of times that good things have happened. I've even jumped up in the air and landed on my new knees. I couldn't be happier with the way my knees feel and the way I'm able to move and the way I'm able to keep coaching and doing what I love.